If you're on a late model iPhone, go into your settings and tap on Photos and Camera, and then swipe up until you get to the camera settings. This is what I use, and I recommend you might also want to use to get really good and consistent quality with your clips. I like to have the framing grid on. I like to record video at a higher frame rate when possible. And I also want my slow-mo to match the resolution. So there is 1080p and 1080p. So my video's at 60p, my slow-mo's at 120 frames per second. My playback speed's probably going to be 24p, 25p. So I'm recording more frames per second so I can get more smoother looking video. But I could record 4K at 30 frames per second, and I will do that in situations that demand it. Let's say I can only get one shot size and I need to film and then recrop the footage to give additional shot sizes. That's a case where I would go to 4K, but realizing this is the problem. All of that memory that gets eaten up when you're filming at 4K. So just keep it 1080p, 60 frames per second, or 30 frames per second if that's all you get with your phone.